After opening new Canva project, let's drag our image, adjust the size, go to text and type your text. Let's change the color to white color, increase the size and change the font to any font you want. Place it in the middle and download this page as PNG. Change the color to black and go to elements, shapes, choose the square, change the color to white color and cover all the page. Go to layers, send backward and go to apps, shape cutout, choose this one, click export design. Let's increase a little bit the size, click export and select all the letters, click cutout and add to design. Let's place it in the top, click on the text and click on the white shape, delete as well and place it like this. Upload the first image, align it and crop it like this. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.